Morning everyone, we're here at Echo Park this week and we're camping. This is our site. Goes right there to the trees. Enough space for 2 cars. We were a little squeezed for the 3 tents with the dining tent. It's a fire ban right now, so we have no fire pit, or we'd have a lot of chairs over there. But this is a really nice site. This is 228. For anyone who's interested, and we found out when we got here that it was electric, but we don't use electricity. We didn't know. It's our dining tent. We had a lot of little visitors last night, and we even put like all of our food in our trunk. So got to rewash all my plates and everything. It poured. It's been like 100 degrees, so hopefully we're going to get a chance to go down and go swimming today, show you the beach, show you Mazenod Rock on Mazenod Lake here at Echo, one of Ontario's most popular provincial parks. It's breakfast. We're having bacon and eggs and Reese's.
Oh God.
Breakfast of champions, yeah. Oh, and cherries, and cherries. Here is the lagoon area of our campsite. You can rent your paddle boats, kayaks, and canoes. They got quite a few canoes out. They have like a place just over behind here where you can eat lunch. Like picnic tables all set up and everything. And then right up here there is bathrooms, so if you need to change, which we're just getting ready to go down to the beach area now after our boat. Went on some trails, went to check out the Narrows. I think we're going to go back there and take some more pictures of the Narrows at sunset, where it's really beautiful. Dinner number 2, we got some pork chops. We're gonna have some orzo salad. Cameron bought that and it actually works. It's got a mini bug zapper, except for a few things in here.
Yeah.
Beautiful day. We spent the day at the beach. It was wonderful. Hopefully we don't get any rain tonight.
No.
Almost done packing up. We're just taking down the dining tent right now. Our cars are loaded. We had a great time here. We really absolutely love the beach. Going on the boat cruise. Now the boat cruise is different. So we went a couple of years ago and it was definitely not this expensive. It was $16.95 for each adult and $5.95 for a child. If you've never been here, it is good to go on it because it does tell you the history of the area and the rock, Mazenod Rock, and any of the pictographs that are on here. This is a really good site, and but I would definitely not camp again if we didn't have a campfire.